Did you know that every Hass avocado in the world traces back to one tree? It's true. One tree planted in La Habra Heights, California back in the 1920s. That is where this all started. Today, more than 3,500 California growers tend roughly 54,000 acres of avocado trees throughout the Golden State. And because these avocados don't travel far, they arrive in your kitchen at their peak. In a dish as simple as guacamole, that freshness is the key to perfection. A little lime, some red onion, a kick of jalapeno, a sprinkle of salt, and you are on your way to something truly scrumptious. The creamy texture, rich color, and fresh flavor holds up from the first bite all the way to the last chip. That is what California-grown avocados bring to this recipe. This is what really good guacamole looks like, grown in the Golden State by California farmers for you to enjoy at your table.